Welcome to Luque, an emerging area in Asunción, Paraguay. We are in this new project, so let's get to know a little more about the properties in it. Hello, come and let's discover this very affordable property here in Asunción. This property is very close to the airport, very close to the shopping centers, and it is really great because you can get it under $100,000 with 7 years financing without any history in the country. It is very spacious. You can see like the kitchen. You have a really nice size living room. You have your guest bathroom. Here you have a little yet very cute area for, some chairs. You can do some grilling. Over there you have your laundry and your dryer. It is very compact and well distributed. Now, let's go upstairs to the room section. I really like it because it has concrete and the ceilings are concrete. You get the warmth of the wood and it's very industrial. Very first room right here. And the spaces for the price, you're getting a lot in a very centric place. The views are nice. You have really great storage. And you have here the bathroom for that room. Again, nice size bathroom. It's just really good. Here you have your second bedroom. It's a little bit smaller. Yeah, it's good for kids. If you have kids, or it could be your office. And the beautiful master bedroom with a balcony, very spacious, very bright. You can see here also the bathroom. It's a very nice size bathroom, actually. Let me go here. It's really good. You can see all the storage and you have a really good. You also have your amenities here in the little area in the complex near here, right over there. It's really good. So now you know what you can have for under 100,000. 100,000. You can get this very compact yet very affordable apartment for $59,000. 7-year financing without any history. Again, here in Paraguay. You have all your appliances, granite countertops. It's just enough space to just live comfortably. Have property here in Paraguay. Before we go to the bedroom section, we just have to go out here to see this little terrace. It's big. I love it. You get the views of the other little duplexes. You have your amenities right over there, pool, kids play, and the parrilla I can never miss. It's just very spacious for $59,000. Okay, it's really good. Here you have bathroom, nice size bathroom. Then you're right now heading into the second bedroom for your kids, or it could be an office. You can just do whatever you would like with this room. And You're very spacious for an apartment. Your master bedroom with everything. I really like the style because it has, it's concrete and yet it keeps the warmth. Also, your bathroom. And this is such an incredible price for this size here in Paraguay. So now you know what you can get here in Paraguay for $59,000. 7-year financing. It's just really great.
Here we are at the amenities. It has a beautiful swimming pool, a parrillada area, some chairs to just sit and relax, and across it, it has a little kids play and a little area to play some soccer. If you need more information about these properties and more, don't hesitate to contact us at my second option.